when it was raining.
Still wet.
You ran or you swam?
We swam.
Is it still red?
We actually ran like those lizards. On top of the water.
Water lizards.
Apparently it is.
Your face wants to get as big, you know.
Why is that so funny?
I don't know.
It's even funnier in motion. I'll show you next time. Next time we go to the pool, I'll race you.
I don't know why it's so funny.
Have you seen those lizards?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. She can't fit. She can't fit. That's,
Oh my god. She's having a psychotic break.
do it again, do it again.
Or one of those in heat.
Wow.
Wow.
She's not
Should we
talking.
get into pure pants or something like that?
She could throw up, that would be magic.
Actually, I just.
If
I remember
a monkey ran
what
in here
was
and
the
shit on
most-
Eugene again, it would be awesome. You better play the lottery.
I don't know if you're stuck
From the heart? Like,
Yes.
Never happened.
Our first ride was, you know, the, what do you call it?
Ferris wheel?
Well, not quite Ferris wheel. Like,
Is it like a
start
stand?
like this, and
Oh, I know
then
what you're talking
it
about.
goes that way, and then start going like super fast, really high. And then after that, June got so sick.
She threw up?
No, but June and Nico started like stop riding the rides.
Sad.
After the first ride.